Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Zoe.
Welcome to the Dual Kitchen. What are we making today?
Today we're gonna make tonkatsu ramen with pork belly.
What kind of ramen do we have?
So we got this one is from H Mart. So the noodles is the fresh, it's not dry. Use within certain time frame, and you have to keep refrigerated it. I like the tonkatsu flavor, which is the pork flavor. I think it's matched really well with the pork belly. You can use other brands. Some of the ramen is more thicker, and this is like more thinner. We boil some hot water, and then we're gonna boil our eggs. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, just a little bit of salt. Mix it up. I think I'm gonna do at least 6 eggs. Gently put down your eggs. Okay, so we're gonna turn medium heat, and then we're gonna cover it up and let it boil for 6 minutes. Now the egg is ready. We're gonna remove the water, and then we're gonna add cold water in so that we can peel the shells off. Remove all the hot water, add some cold water in. Just let it cool down for a little bit before we can peel the shells. So you're gonna tap it, and then you're gonna roll it. You're gonna tap a little, and you're gonna roll it. Gonna peel off the middle. That should be really easy. You raise it off. Ta-da! And then you can put it in a container. We're gonna put the marinade sauce in it. The marinade sauce needs to be over the egg. Here we're gonna turn on the heat. We're gonna put about 1 cup of water, couple pieces of garlic, couple pieces of ginger, 1/4 of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine. If you don't have it, it's okay. 1 teaspoon of honey. Gonna let it boil. Cook it for like about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour it into our eggs. Put it in. It should be all the way cover all the eggs. And then you're just gonna let it cool down and just put it in the refrigerator for tomorrow. Alright, so we have 2 beautiful pork belly right here. We're gonna marinate it, put it overnight in the refrigerator. So let's prep this pork belly. We're gonna use a little fork. We're gonna poke some holes. Flip the other side, do the same thing. Just make the sauce can go inside to the meat more. I'm gonna use my favorite things is a Ziploc bag. So we're gonna put it into a Ziploc bag. We're gonna put some green onion. I smash it a little bit so the flavor can come out. Garlic. We also have some ginger. Now for our sauce, we're gonna put some salt. I would say about maybe 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Just give it some color. A little bit of cooking wine, some oyster sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons, I guess, half tablespoon of sugar. Sip it, pump the air out, give it a good massage. Massage, massage, massage. I put it in like this, so in the morning I flip it the other side so that it's just, marinate a little bit evenly. Now our pork belly is marinated overnight, so we are gonna prepare pork belly beef. So first we're gonna heat up our pan, and then we're gonna sear the skin, 4 sides, all of them. All the juice gonna stay inside the pork belly while we're cooking on the Instant Pot. We're gonna put some oil. I will stay it about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna flip to the other side. Now this is nice and really toasty golden brown. That's what we want. Look at this. Our house smells super good right now. So pretty. Something about the sizzling just made me so excited. It looks so good. At the bottom. So we're gonna transfer into the Instant Pot, lay flat. And then from your Ziploc bag, you still have some sauce and all the ginger, garlic, and green onion. Toss it in. Close the Instant Pot, setting it up meats 30 minutes in a high pressure. On the pressure pot, we're gonna do sealing. Do a natural release after it's done. If you don't have an Instant Pot, what you can do is earlier we sear it, and then when it's done, you can transfer the meat into a pot. You're gonna add the sauce from the Ziploc bag, but then you're also gonna add some water. And then when it heat up, you're gonna turn the heat low and then cook it for like 30 to 45 minutes. Depends on how soft your meat you want to be. Every 15 minutes, you're gonna check it and then probably flip the other side. If you don't have enough water, you probably just add another cup of water in it. Probably need about 30 to 45 minutes in total. Instant Pot is super easy. You just let it do their job 30 minutes and then natural release, and the meat will be really soft. Natural release button is down, so it means that it's ready. Let's see how it looks like. Looking so good. Ooh, it's super soft. Wow.
Squishy.
Okay. So we're also gonna use some cloud ear fungus. They are coming to dry. Put in the hot water and wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. After it's done, should be look like this. So I'm cooking some bean sprout. Add a little bit of oil. Add a little bit of salt. That's one of the toppings that I like to use on my ramens. If you don't like bean sprouts, you can skip this part. Now I got some sauce from Pork Belly from the Instant Pot. Pour it in to have like a little seasoning. Cook it to be a little bit soft, and then it's done. Now we're gonna make the green onion. So we're gonna cut the top part off, and then what I'm gonna do is cut half and then put them together. I'm gonna use a fork to make it a strip. You're gonna rotate it so
How much water did you boil?
I boiled 3 cups of water and for 2 stuffing. That's how it look like. And then we're gonna just put the soup broth in and keep it low heat. Just have the soup broth ready. You're gonna have a boiled water. You're gonna add your noodles in. Follow the package. The package said 45 seconds. I like to add just a little bit of oil so that they don't stick together. So we're gonna drain the water and then put on your bowl. Add just a little bit of the soup on the bottom first, so that I can break down the. Look at this. Looks so good. Chiku, 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 chiku. Alright, we're gonna put it in our cutting board. So I'm gonna cut maybe like 1 cm each. Now we're gonna top it up with some pork belly, our egg, bean sprout, clouded ear,
mushroom.
green onion.
I'm ready for soup.
Top it up with a little bit of sesame seeds. If you like spicy, you can add spicy seasoning.
Shichimi, 7 pepper mix.
A slice of seaweed.
Happy eating! Thanks for watching our video. And if you enjoyed this video and like to see more, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know of any recipes you'd like to see us do in the comments below. You can also follow us on Instagram at Duo Kitchen.